cigars were made in the west area of the factory. The production of gentlemen's cigars, which came in both standard and small sizes, started in 1968. They were entirely handmade. Workers had to roll the tobacco leaves piece by piece to make a cigar, and then they packed the cigars into exquisite wooden boxes. At that time, the price of one box, which contained 25 gentlemen's cigars, was equal to that of 50 packs of New Paradise cigarettes, the cheapest tobacco product on the market. When you are at the West area, please take a moment to look at the windows, on which you will see different images. Together, they form the Song-Yen Story Corridor, with each window depicting part of the factory's past. You may also see a duck print on a window near the south end. He is none other than Duck Song himself, the mascot of SCCP. By blending modern artwork into historical sites, we try to tell the old story of the tobacco factory and demonstrate the factory as home spirit. Walking down the West Corridor, you can learn about 10 stories of the old factory.